Real Green Ninja here. Today we're talking about how to delete a single linked document for a customer's account. So let's begin. Now, if you accidentally link a document to a customer's account by mistake and you want to delete it off the customer's account, what we can do is we can actually go to the account screen and then go to their Diagrams and Documents tab. Now, the thing is when we delete it from here, all we're doing is deleting the link between the account and the actual file itself. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to make a note of where that document is actually stored. Now, most of the time, documents are stored in your CustDocs folder or the linked documents folder, which is located on the main server. Some people may have it in different locations. Again, each person has a different setup. So again, just make a note of where that is located. So mine's located on my C drive because I'm actually on the main server for my system, and then SARGN and then CustDocs. Now, when you go to delete it, you're going to click on the line item you want to delete, click on Edit, and then click the red X. Now, keep in mind, all we're doing is deleting the link. So you may even want to write down what the name of the document is just to make it a little easier to find if you want to delete out the actual file. When we go ahead and delete it, you'll see it's no longer on the list, but now we're going to go to our File Explorer, and again, mine's actually located on my C drive, and then it's going to be in my folder SARGN. Now, like I said, most of the time you guys are just going to have like an SA folder. Keep in mind that folder's name could be whatever. That's why you want to make sure where it's actually being stored. So when we go into the SARGN, one nice thing is most of the time we can click up here in the upper right, type in the account number, and then it's going to do a search and show us all the documents that have that account number in there. Right now, we only have the one document in there, so I can delete it out. But again, that's why you might want to write down the name of it, because if they have a couple different linked documents with very similar names, you want to make sure that you're deleting out the correct file. Because what's going to happen is if you delete out the incorrect file, or you delete the file and then don't delete the link, when you go to open the link, it's just going to say can't find the file. As far as the diagrams themselves, if you click on here and it opens up the diagram and you save everything, one thing to be aware of is that this is not a file. This is actually data that's stored in the database. So if you delete a diagram, it is gone. You don't have to worry about going back and deleting a file. So, but like I said, this right here is deleting the data in the database for that particular diagram. So I hope this helps. You guys have yourself